The 4700 PSI Electric Pressure Washer offers impressive power with a maximum pressure of 4,700 pounds per square inch, making it ideal for tackling tough cleaning jobs. Equipped with a touchscreen, this model allows users to easily adjust pressure settings between soft, medium, and strong, providing flexibility for various cleaning tasks. The upgraded telescopic aluminum handle is adjustable to accommodate users of different heights, and the large wheels ensure easy maneuverability. A total stop system feature automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the pump's lifespan. With a 16.5-foot power cord and a 20-foot hose, this pressure washer can reach a wide range of areas including patios, driveways, and garages. The unit is designed for convenience with a wheeled upright trolley, mesh stock for the spray gun, and dedicated storage for nozzles, soap bottles, and the hose.